All right, in this video, we're going to talk about the rollbacks that the Trump administration has put in place for the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB. If you have any concerns with payday loans, credit reporting, or debt collection, you're going to want to pay attention to this video because you want to protect your most important asset, which is yourself, the way that you think about yourself, the way that you move forward in this world, the way that people perceive you. If you don't feel good about yourself, it's going to be very tough for you to be able to move forward, regardless of who is president. So first, let's talk about the first rollback. Payday lending protections are gutted. CFPB previously required lenders to check if an individual was able to repay the payday loan. Trump administration removed this requirement, making it easier for lenders to offer high interest rate loans without verifying affordability. I don't know why anyone would want to loan someone money that they can't afford to pay back, but that's what was rolled back. Debt collection rules weakened. Debt collectors were given more freedom to contact you through email, text, and social media without needing your permission. That's the rollback. Reduced student loan oversight. Loan servicers face fewer penalties even when they mishandled your information. That meant less accountability for how your student loans were managed. Next, arbitration rule repealed. Previously, consumers could take banks to court in class action. Trump administration repealed the rule, meaning more disputes had to be settled in arbitration, which favored corporations. Lesser oversight on credit reporting agencies, even after mass data breaches. Major credit bureaus like Equifax saw less scrutiny, potentially putting consumers at greater risk. And we also saw in a recent news report where Experian got caught not even doing the investigations. So now what does all of this mean for you? It means that you're at higher risk of predatory lending. Without strong protections, payday lenders can trap people into debt cycles. More aggressive debt collections. So you can expect more calls, more mail, more emails, more messages on social media. Limited legal options. If you face financial abuse, you might have fewer ways to take action against companies. So let me know what you think about this. And again, if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports, and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you early in the game, grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, debt validation, cease and desist, collection activities letter. Those can save you time, money, and frustration. I don't charge for those, but I do ask for a donation on those. It helps me monetize my time helping you protect your most important asset, which is yourself. Please subscribe to the channel, post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.